Vision creates opportunity. Leadership is why our agents will always be ahead of the curve.
As we all know, with healthcare reform, millions of people are now going to have access to physicians. But more importantly, access to a physician is going to become harder and harder and harder, which is why you see all these urgent care facilities being cropped up that are staffed by nurse practitioners to solve the colds and the flus and the nicks and the scrapes. You're not going there if you have a life-threatening situation, but you are going there for 75% of the reasons, as opposed to going into the ER paying 3 times as much money. We have a better solution. We're providing 24/7 access to a physician for not only the cardholder, but his entire family, where they can call a physician and quickly have a situation resolved. You've got poison ivy, they can take a look at it right on your camera. Yep, that's poison ivy, we can prescribe it. Oh, I have a sinus infection, these are my symptoms, and I'm coughing. All right, we'll start with a Z-Pack and a cough suppressant, and we know if that doesn't work, I'm getting amoxicillin next. So there are certain protocols that can get followed. It can be easily diagnosed over the telephone. And obviously for the acute and severe conditions, you still need to consult your primary care physician and/or go to the emergency room. To supplement that, we include a nurse hotline, which has over 1,200 topics that they can educate you on for the things that you perhaps are below a conversation you want to have with a doctor, but it's still a healthcare concern that you want to have answered. So you can talk to a certified nurse 24/7 on our toll-free hotline and ask away any questions that you have. With that, we've included a real cool product called Health Advocates. Health Advocates has been around for 13, 14 years now. Personal friends of mine formed that company. They were the former brain trust over at Aetna. But what they realized is it's getting harder and harder to navigate through the healthcare system with the referrals and the second surgical opinions and this procedure's not covered, or no, we're not going to allow you to have that bone marrow transplant until you have the following 3 things done, at which point it's too late anyway. You need someone in your corner that can fight back. And included in this program, we have an advocate, a trained, skilled nurse or physician or caseworker that's skilled to navigate through the nuances, because they work at all the major carriers, to get results, to get your situation resolved, to allow you to get on with your life and take the burden of the problem away from you. In addition to that, we have a medical bill saver. Unlike any of the others that are in the market that will charge you a percentage of the money they actually save, this is a straight pass-through because we're not that type of organization. And because this is a paid benefit, that we're offering it at an unbelievably low price. So whether you're single or your family, you have the ability to pick up the phone. If you use it just twice a year, you're going to save a $50 or $100 copay to the doctor and 2.5 hours or 3 hours of your life. If you're on a salary, not a big deal. But if you're an hourly employee, all right, and you lose 2-3 hours for work sitting at a doctor's office, that's costing you an awful lot of money, more than the entire annual cost of this program itself. Now, if you have children, another great benefit. You know, how many times do you go into a pediatrician's office? And what do? You get around sicker people.
True.
Telemedicine's the future.
To enhance the already comprehensive Plus program, we've added Aetna's Dental Access, a network of over 132,000 dental providers offering discounts of up to 50% on all dental services, from cleanings to surgery. Coast to Coast Vision, the nation's largest network of eye care specialists, ophthalmologists, optometrists, independent optical centers, and national chain locations, offer our members discounts to 60% on everything from routine eye exams to laser surgery. And every Plus member receives the award-winning RX Cut Pharmacy Discount Card, providing prescription discounts up to 87% off retail, even providing benefits to those with prescription coverage, and works on pet meds as well.
Why we put all this together was to solve a huge need that now exists in this country for telemedicine. But more importantly, we took a breath over the last year and rebuilt our technology platform, so we're ready to go to that next level. We reshaped our products, we reshaped our look and our feel and our brand and our website. We reshaped all of our technology, and I'm excited really to get this year launched. We've got an overwhelming reception on this product.
The ability to analyze data to identify market changes, and nimble enough to create innovative, money-saving products to address those changes at just the right time is the RX Cut difference. Partner with a company that will always put you in a position to win. Welcome to the future of healthcare.